make C subject of formula of this equation. C minus E equals to F. And now say C, I will add both sides, I will add E in both sides, okay, to enable me eliminate this E so that only C will remain here. Now this C minus this E plus E equals to F. Since I add E here, I will add E also here. Now we have the right to say minus E plus E has cancelled each other. We now have only C equals to F plus E. That is answer. C is now already subject of the formula here. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share the video. Thanks.